Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to TCS Part 2 22 to 2020 batch, all exam related queries. I already posted one video on channel that is related to TCS Free NQT Ninja plus digital combined hiring, that is a ITP, and exam pattern is also changed, means there is a no coding round in this examination. So if you not applied in this, so apply for this opportunity. But candidates have so many doubts that I have see in the comment section as well as on the Instagram. Already applied for digital exam, again apply for drive open, what to do? Means so many candidates face like this, like apply for drive option is again enabled for the freshers batches, and they already applied for the digital examination. So it is safe to apply for this. Difference between digital and ITP exam, which is the best exam for 22 to 2020 batch? No apply for drive option shown, only rejected status, coding round removed from process. Overall game will be depends on your performance. All queries solved in today's video. So let's start the video. So one of the most important point, like if you already applied for the digital examination, if you already applied for the digital examination, and there is a next tab shown like apply for drive option is again open for you. Okay, so I am suggesting you, like you have to apply for drive again in this hiring, because the digital examination is no update till, like so many candidates apply for the digital examination but there is a no update, but they will consider you for the ITP examination. Means when you just apply for drive, like don't confusing in that, like there is a track my application. Okay, track my application section on the next step portal. If you apply for drive, if you apply for drive on that, so they will consider you for the ITP examination, because the first hiring examination is the ITP, means the latest examination is for the ITP. One candidate say that in the comment section, like I already applied for this recruitment drive and the digital examination shown, but the apply for recruitment drive is open again. So I suggest that you have to apply for drive again. So when you just click on track my application, so successfully you can see that like apply for drive option is updated. Means if you apply for drive today, so it will be updated as a today date. Okay, so it will be updated as 26 4 and 2022. So this is just like that in the track my application form. So don't worry about that, because you not appear in the examination process, even you not got the exam mail. So don't make two accounts and apply. Okay, this is one of the most important point. Like don't make two accounts and apply for drive, it is very risky, and it will be totally depends on the TCS team whether they will reject your candidature as well as you from the exam. So don't do that. If your profile shows apply for drive, so just simply click on apply for drive and successfully you are applied in the recruitment process, and they will send you mail update related to exam. Okay, so this is just related to that. And wait, okay, so the next is what is the difference between TCS digital and the ITP examination? So the TCS digital is very different exam, and it is only for the 2022 batch, but the ITP exam is for 2020 to 2022 batch, and there is a no coding round in the phase of Ninja. I am not talking about the digital examination. Okay, because one of the most important point that I have seen on the website, like they just mentioned that there is a ITP process, but there is a advanced coding section in the digital exam. Okay, not in the not related in the foundation section. There are two type of section, and if you completed that, so it is for the mandatory for digital experience. And one of the most important point, they will shortlisted on your performance basis, your test performance. They will be either shortlisted for Ninja interview or digital interview. So you have to give complete examination, but they will be consider you for Ninja interview or digital interview according to your experience. Okay, so in the part A section there is a no coding, but in the advanced section there is a advanced coding section is already there. So this is one of the most important point. which is the best exam for 22 to which is the best exam for 22 to 2020 batch. Okay, so according to my experience, the ITP exam is very best for the 22 batch. Okay, like 2020 to 2022 batch, because they just mention one examination only, and it is very good for the 22 to 2020 batch. And if you already applied for digital examination, and apply for drive option is not shown, okay, apply for drive option is not shown, don't worry about that. You have also opportunity of 7 LPA. You have to prepare according to the previous pattern. But ITP exam is a new initiative by the TCS team. No apply for drive option shown, only rejected status. Like this, I am just seeing you like that. This is just we regret to inform that you have not cleared the TCS selection process. We would like to interest you for TCS and wish you all the best for your future. As per the TCS eligibility criteria, you are eligible to reappear. My friend completed the interview on the October, like October 2021. So she got the rejection mail on the 25th October. So I think they will consider full month. So I think they consider the April month, and from the 1st May they will again open the apply for drive for the candidates. So the coding round removed from the process, it is true, but it is only for the part A section, not for the part section. And I just written that here, like overall performance, overall game is equals to performance. It will be totally depends on your performance, like whether in the exam as well as in the interviews, because they just mention that if you showcase your talent and skills and basis your test performance, you will be either be shortlisted for ninja interview or digital interview. So if you want preparation videos, if you want specific syllabus preparation videos, please mention in the comment section. Surely we will update the preparation videos on our channel soon. And I hope your all queries will be solved in today's video. And this is related to that. And one of the most important point, if you not applied for this hiring, just go and apply. Infosys also hiring, TCS also hiring. And for the 23-24 batch, soon so many MNCs hiring for the freshers batch. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.